Yeah. Gotta roll up my sleeves, get the junk out of here. Spring cleaning, yeah. It's that time of year. Everything in the garage, babe. Man, it just gotta go. Organized chaos. I gotta put on a show. Oh, memories. Time to let them slide. Someone's trash could be a ride. So fresh and so clean. Feeling supreme. So fresh and so clean. Living the dream. So fresh and so clean. Watch me gleam. So fresh and so clean. Yeah, this is my team. The pool's open today. Let the sunlight pour. Got my shades on. Yeah, I'm ready for more. I'm decorating my space. Give my home respect. So fresh and so clean. Yeah, gotta keep it correct. Gonna hustle, nothing left to lose. Bring it in the good vibes. I'm ready to cruise. So fresh and so clean. Feeling supreme. So fresh and so clean. Lives in the dream. So fresh and so clean. Watch me gleam. So fresh and so clean. Yeah, this is my team. Spring's in the air and I'm feeling so fly. Clean slate ahead, gotta reach for the sky. Gotta roll up my sleeves, get the junk out of here. Spring cleaning, yeah. It's that time of year. Everything in the garage, man, it just gotta go. Organized chaos, I gotta put on a show. Old memories, time to let them slide. Someone's trash could be alright. Some fresh so clean. Feeling supreme, so fresh and so clean. Living a dream, so fresh and so clean. Watch me gleam, so fresh and so clean. Yeah, this is my team. The pool's open today, let the sunlight pour. Got my shades on, yeah. I'm ready for more. I'm decorating my space, give my home respect. So fresh and so clean, gotta keep it correct. Gotta hustle, nothing left to lose. Bringing in the good vibes, I'm ready to cruise. So fresh and so clean, feeling supreme. So fresh and so clean, living a dream. So fresh and so clean. Watch me bleed. So fresh and so clean. Yeah, this is my team. The pool's open today and the sunlight got my shades on, yeah. I'm ready for more. Oh! It's springtime again. Gotta clear out this space. Everything in the garage, it's time to embrace. Open up the doors, let the sunlight pour. Pool's ready for fun, let's finally explore. Junkyard's on speed dial, gotta make a call. Out with the old, let the new take the fall. So fresh and so clean, clean. 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 My camper looks sharp, ready for the loan. Inspections in the cards, we'll be out on the phone. Nature calls my name, can't wait for the thrill. Soon we'll be camping, escaping to the hills. So much to do, but I'm feeling so free. Spring cleaning's here, it's the best time for me. So fresh and so clean, clean. 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 So let's roll up our sleeves, make it right.
Alright, I'm done with the garage. Well, not really done. I'm just got most of it done, so I can call the trash guy to come and pick up all this heavy stuff. So let me check it out and show you. Got my Christmas stuff right there. It goes upstairs. Like I said, I'm not quite ready, but that's all the stuff that's going. Big trash, and I got a whole bunch of stuff downstairs too. And that's how I organized it. Is it organized? Yeah, kind of, but it could be better. Gotta get my bikes ready. And all my camping stuff I try to put together, and then tools and some other camping stuff. So it's not too bad. Like I said, this is all junk right here. That's going to be gone soon. And I got to organize that shelf. And that's about it. For now, let me clean up. Open up my trailer a little bit, at least the slide I opened up. And that's my RV, getting it ready. I got to take it out to get inspected this weekend. I got to drop it off and then I'm going to inspect it. My trash. Let me put this with the other. So let me show you the back. So it looks definitely better, especially if we get rid of all that. Get rid of the Christmas stuff and I organize my stuff over there with my coats and stuff. Not looking too bad. Won't be too embarrassed opening it back up. And the pool people were here today. Alright, another project we're doing is we're replacing our fence. At least this whole side over here is going to be replaced with new, better quality stuff. And then some of the panels over here, we're going to fix the ones here until, you know, more breaks, and then we can just replace this whole side next year. So I'm going to replace this whole side next year. And replacing this side as soon as they gave me an appointment. I paid most of it already. And then the back I'm not going to worry about until the third year. And I'll fix it up. We just spent 13 grand on a new AC heating system. So ours went kaput. And I said, just replace the whole thing because it was about 20 years old. Yeah, 19 years old. I said, just replace the whole thing. So we got a Bryant system. And it works pretty good. Yeah, that's another thing I'm getting rid of. My my grill that's going in the trash too. My power wash is not working, so I'm going to chuck that in the trash. I'm going to put that away before it rains. Hopefully, you know, I'm going to leave it out all night because I need it to air out. If it rains, I just keep it out longer. That's all. And we put our camping carpet down. Our camper carpet down because we have some wasps underneath, and they're been bugging us. So they hasn't been around lately. So I think that thing that Shelly brought right there might be working. I got to call somebody to spray. And that's her. As you can see, don't mind the fan. It's getting replaced, like I said. So it's working. Our heater right here is not working. Mice go in there and chew up the wires during the winter. And I said, screw it, we're not using it anyway. I was tired of paying $200 for it to get fixed. So here's our pool. It's not clean, but it's not bad. Still got to work on cleaning the bottom. I want to power wash this whole area here once I get my new power washer. That's about it. So look at my fence. Yeah, they had like a cheap fence, like from Lowe's, kind of cheapish. And every time the wind would gush through here. And if it takes one of the lawn furniture, it would go crashing through, or it would just break because there's no way for the wind to go. So, and I mean, it gushes through here. My porch furniture goes flying, and it hits. So, I had a fire pit here, but nobody was using it, so I'm taking it out. Oh, what I want to do though, I want to move my shed back somewhere and make this a big gate, so when I park my RV, I can park it actually in this area that nobody uses. So I'll put gravel or whatever and can park my RV right on in here. So I can get my parking spaces back. I used to park in the garage with my Kia Telluride, but with my truck, I can't fit in there. Yeah, it's getting there, guys. It'll look nice again. As soon as that new fence comes in, we'll be alright. That's it. So that's my house. So if you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
So fresh and so clean, living a dream. So fresh and so clean. Watch me bleed. So fresh and so clean.